here on Tuesday evening at the exhibit area at the Emerson Global Users Exchange. We've got two actual users, Chris Marshall and Jerry Fox from ConocoPhillips. Now, you guys have come quite a ways for this week.
Yeah, we're down from Anchorage, Alaska.
Okay, that's about as far as you can go and without a passport. What are you looking for this week, and what are you hoping to take back?
We have specific questions for Emerson products, and we're just trying to get answers to some of the problems that we've experienced.
Now you're basically upstream guys, right?
Yep. Yeah. We work on the north slope of Alaska. We work all the way, it's 40, 50 below, so we have some extreme temperatures. So we have different issues than some other people do. And it's been very informative. We went to a lot of short courses today, and they've been very informative. It's been very good.
What kind of courses?
Well, we went on one DP measurement today, and that flow measurement, and that was very good.
We've been to some of the wireless courses too. Some that are pretty general, and some very detailed, getting down into the nuts and bolts of the standards, and probably a little deeper than I needed to go. But
okay, well, I appreciate you guys taking a minute with us tonight.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good week.
Thanks.
Danica Jordan and Robert Bishop, you both work for Genevique. What do you make there, and where is your plant?
Genevique, it's a new acquisition of Eastman Chemical Company. So it's located in Chestertown, Maryland, and we make plasticizers, non-phthalate plasticizers.
Okay, so what sessions have you been going to this week?
A lot of basic Delta V, a lot of batch, mostly an orientation for me. This is all a new system, and I'm just now learning.
So do you have a lot of Emerson equipment there at your plant?
Yes, our plant is standardized on Emerson. We have Rosemont, Micromotion, Delta V.
Is that company-wide or just your location?
It's pretty much company-wide for the Genevique side. Eastman uses Provox, RS3.
I believe so.
Yeah. Honeywell, they have the Honeywell systems.
Okay. So do you have more sessions planned for the rest of the week?
Oh, absolutely. I think I've got a training course coming up on Delta V graphics, and Bob's going to some on wireless communications. And
all right.
I actually have an educational course tomorrow morning on wireless commissioning.
All right, well, thanks for chatting with us, and have a good week. Here with Sherry Law from Oxia. Tell us a little bit about the company and why you're here this week.
Well, we're a commodity chemicals company, and basically I'm here because we put in our first Delta V system this past May in a major turnaround. We upgraded from Fisher AC squared equipment, so we weren't even DCS at that point.
Okay, so what sessions are you attending, and what are you hoping to take back?
One of the things I'm looking for tomorrow during the sessions are the Delta V SIS to see what we can do to integrate some of our other shutdown systems to Delta V. I'm also a Fisher valve user, and so I'm looking at some severe service valves.
Okay, so there's really a lot for you at this event.
Yes, there is. I've never attended before. This is my first time to be here, and I'm very impressed. I mean, today's my first day. I'm only coming for 2 days. But next year I'm going to try to come for the whole thing.
As a board member, you donate your time basically to help make this event a success. Now, how do you go about choosing the sessions and putting together the technical program for this event?
Well, I was actually the chairman of the presentations committee this year, and we actually solicit through the website and through the Emerson and LBP organizations. We solicit the users to submit abstracts of presentations that they would like to submit. We get far more abstracts than we actually have room in the conference. This year we had almost 600 abstracts submitted, and we had to narrow that down to something around just under 400 accepted presentations. So each of the board members takes a particular subject track and goes through every one of the abstracts to try to select those that are of most interest to the users.
You know, as an editor, I do a lot of reading, but that's a whole lot of presentations to sort through.
It certainly is. It's a fairly large board. We have 18 members, so fortunately we get to divide all those abstracts among a number of people, but it does represent a significant amount of work.
What's your take on the event this year? It seems to be a lot better attended than last year. You know, the economic times are better. How are you feeling?
we're just thrilled. We had far more people than we were expecting. The uptick from last year is significant. So we're extremely pleased with the turnout this year.
So it makes it all worthwhile.
Absolutely.